students, as you know, IBPS has come out with its Clerk 2024 notifications with over 6,000 posts, and the PO notifications are also expected soon. All these exams, reading comprehension is a very important component of the English language section. You can expect 7 to 11 questions on reading comprehension in all these exams. So with this in mind, T.I.M.E is organizing a free reading comprehension webinar on 8th of July, Monday at 6:30 p.m. Okay, the focus will be on Prelim exams. This webinar will also be useful to you for preparation for SBI Clerk, SBI PO and related exams. We will discuss various aspects of reading comprehension such as reading speed, how to balance speed and accuracy, the importance of vocabulary in reading comprehension, strategies to crack reading comprehension, etc. The session will also be followed by a Q&A interactive part. Okay, so please do not miss this opportunity. Do register and join us on 8th of July, Monday, 6:30 p.m.